Tone the leg muscles until men can see their reflection in your gleaming skin. Widen the hips until it is the exact curve of a bass clef.
So today I'm gonna be doing an everyday makeup tutorial. The first thing I'll put on is Ultra Repair Cream on my face, I'm just gonna be blending that out with my hands. I'm gonna start doing my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Ebony. And 2 angled brushes, 1 Anastasia brush for the brush. And then I'm gonna use just a regular angled brush that Ipsy gave to me. So I'm gonna slightly dab it in the
pomade, that's what it's called.
So you're gonna start right here. And you're gonna go over with concealer, so it's just gonna be clean as you want it to be. When you're done,
what is that word?
it's okay if you mess up, because I already did mess up. You're gonna go very slightly so you won't have block eyebrows. I fill it in. So once I'm done with this one, I am gonna go and do my other eyebrow, and then I'm gonna be back on camera and conceal it. So I'm back with my other eyebrow. So I'm gonna use this Maybelline New York concealer, this Wet n Wild brush. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. So I'm gonna conceal this eyebrow, and then I'm gonna come back. So I just concealed my right eyebrow. I'm gonna slightly put concealer on the brush. I'm gonna dab it in certain places so I won't have too much concealer on one side, and just carve it and clean it. When my eyebrows are clean on the bottom and I'm done carving them, I go ahead with my IT Cosmetics blending brush and just blend it. And I am just gonna dab it again. And a lot of times I have issues with that because it's just pretty annoying and I mess up too much. When I'm fully done with my eyebrows, at the end I go in with a basic brow gel. When I'm done with my eyebrows, I go ahead and put concealer under my under eyes with the same concealer I used for my eyebrows. With my IT Cosmetics brush again. So when I'm done with the concealer under my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and put bronzer on. I'm gonna use this Revolution, this regular Wet n Wild contour brush. When I'm done putting bronzer on, I'm just gonna go and curl my eyelashes with this basic Revlon eyelash curler. Just gonna use my Great Lash from Maybelline mascara and just go slightly with that. When I'm done curling my eyelashes, I'm gonna go in with this highlighter that I got in from Ipsy. For natural highlighter, I use this basic fan brush that I also got from Ipsy. And my nose, the bridge of my nose. Then I'm gonna go in with a little brush and go and put some on my eyebrows. When I'm done putting highlighter on, I am gonna go and put some Hard Candy matte setting spray. When I'm done with my setting spray, I am gonna go and put Victoria's Secret Hollow Glow. This is how it looks. Thank you for watching. If you made it through this way, I know I'm boring, but I am just gonna try and make this fun, as it is.
Tone the leg muscles until men can see their reflection in your gleaming skin.